Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make fermented sauerkraut at home. First, gather your ingredients: fresh cabbage, preferably organic and non-iodized salt. You'll also need a clean, large jar or a ceramic crock for the fermentation process. Make sure your equipment is sterilized to prevent unwanted bacteria. This simple setup is key to a successful batch of homemade sauerkraut. Begin by removing any outer, damaged leaves from your cabbage. Then, finely shred the cabbage using a sharp knife or a mandolin. Place the shredded cabbage in a large bowl and sprinkle it with about 2% of its weight in non-iodized salt. Massage the salt into the cabbage for 10 to 15 minutes until a good amount of brine has formed. Now, pack the salted cabbage tightly into your clean fermentation jar or crock. Press down firmly to remove any air pockets. Ensure the cabbage is completely submerged under its own brine. You might need a fermentation weight to keep it down. Cover the jar loosely to allow gases to escape. Let it ferment at room temperature, ideally between 65 and 72 degrees Fahrenheit, for 1 to 4 weeks. Once your sauerkraut has reached your desired tanginess, it's ready. Transfer it to smaller, clean jars and store it in the refrigerator. This will significantly slow down the fermentation process, preserving its flavor and texture for several months. Enjoy your homemade sauerkraut as a delicious side dish or topping. And hey, for staying refreshed while you cook, check the description for a link to the Oala water bottle and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.